How to use dropship.io extension for Chrome. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use dropship.io extension for Chrome. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. To create an account on dropship.io, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is dropship.io, it is a comprehensive dropshipping platform designed to help online store owners find profitable products to add to their inventory, in which the platform offers two key features: the product database and the portfolio. And the product database contains millions of products sourced from various e-commerce stores, providing valuable insights such as monthly revenue, price, and creation date. It also includes advanced filtering options to streamline product research, while portfolio feature adds potentially winning products to users' portfolios each week, saving time and effort in product research. And now to proceed installing the Chrome extension, just click this install extension button right here. Then we will be able to be directed on this page, and from here, if we scroll down, it will show us below here the overview about this platform and also the images in here, including some of the features it offers. And below here, you will be able to see the overview context. And now to proceed, just click this Add to Chrome button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to see that this extension application will now be able to add to our Chrome as our extension. So if we click on the top right corner, you will be able to see here that this extension has now been added to our Chrome. And now to start using this, we can simply go to the other Shopify store. For instance, this store right here, which is called Burga. And then from here, you will be able to see all of the products that offer on this Shopify store. And below, you will be able to see here. And below, you will be able to see the dropship.io widgets in here, including the overview products, live sales, ad library, and many more. And now upon scrolling on this website, it will show us in here that some of the product including ring holders, tablets, cases, laptop sleeves, and many more. So in order to see some other products or the whole overview of this online store, just click this overview button right here under dropship.io widgets. By clicking on it, you will be able to see here on the top panel, including the store creation date, store theme, and also the number of store products in here. However, you will not be able to see here the total revenue and total sales, since you need to sign in your account on dropship.io in order to do so. But below here, you can also see the bestsellers product in here, which has a corresponding ranks. And below it will show you some of the application that has been used on this Shopify online store. And now to see other details including the revenue, all we need to do is simply create our account in here. To do that, just click this create account button right here. Then we'll be able to be directed on this page in which we can log in using our Google Apple ID, and by simply entering here your first name, last name, and email address. But in those options, I'm going to choose to sign in using my Google account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page right here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the specific kind of plan that you will get. We have here basic plan, standard, and premium plan, with its corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan below here. However, you could also select either pay monthly or pay yearly. And below here on each plan, you could also try it for free for 7 days. And in those options, I'm going to choose this basic plan. By clicking this try for free for 7 days, you will be able to be directed on this page right here, in which the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter our card information as a payment methods, including our card info, the card holder name, the country or region, and on the left side panel, it will show you your total invoice in here, which is the total due today is $0. But after 7 days, you should pay the amount of $228 if you still not cancel the plan. Now moving on from here, the next thing that you need to do is you could also get what they offer, which is 365-day money-back guarantee. Or alternatively, you could also skip this offer by clicking this skip offer button right here. And after skipping this offer, you will be directed on this dashboard, in which we could also navigate here the ad spot, product database, sales tracker, competitor research, portfolio on the left side panel. However, since we're now done creating our account on dropship.io, we can all go back on this page and start signing in our account by clicking the sign in button. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page right here. Now if we scroll down, you'll be able to see here all of the details including this total revenue and total sales. You can also track the last 7 days history of their revenue and sales in here. And aside from that, we can now start importing specific products that offer on this Shopify store. By clicking this products button below, you'll be able to see here the list of the products that is offered on this online store. We have here the bestsellers section, the latest sold, newest products, and old products. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So can I click connect button to proceed? Since before we import a specific product, we also need first to connect our Shopify store and dropship.io. So we will be able to be directed on this page, and from here, just click I have a Shopify store in order to start linking or connecting your Shopify store to this dropship.io. Then after that, you will be directed under Shopify App Store, and from here, just click this install button in order to start installing the dropship.io. Then you will be directed in here, and just proceed by clicking this install button to proceed installing this to your Shopify account. And after successfully installing the application, you'll be able to be directed on this page right here again, and it will show you that your Shopify store has now been connected. And now from here, we can now start importing the products from this website or online store in here. So make sure that you refresh this website in order to start importing the products. Since if you try to click connect button right here, without refreshing the page, we'll also be directed again on this page, in which we can also start connecting our Shopify store, which already has been connected. Then you will also be directed on this page, in which you could also navigate and customize your personal information, your billing info, and also choose your specific plan. If you're not satisfied with the plan or benefits that is offered for the plan that you currently have, in which you can upgrade into standard or premium if you want to. Now going back once again, once you've already connected your Shopify to your account in dropship.io, the next thing that you need to do is to simply go back on this page right here and make sure that you refresh this page. And once the button in here has been changed into import instead of connect Shopify store, we can now proceed by clicking this import button in order to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see on this pop-up window, we can simply choose our Shopify store, then proceed by clicking this import button in order to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here if the product has been imported. And if the product has been imported successfully, we could also check it by clicking or going back in our online store or our Shopify account. And under these products, you'll be able to see here if you refresh this, the product that we just import from other store using our dropship.io account. So you will now be able to see here that the Lemon Tart iPhone 15 Pro case has now been imported under our products. And from here, we could also track the inventory, the number of sales, and other details about this product, which comes from other online store. So basically, dropship.io is a reliable option for those looking to start on scale their dropshipping business, since dropship.io remains a powerful tool for entrepreneurs and businesses seeking to succeed in dropshipping. But overall, that is just basically how you can use dropship.io extension for Chrome. Thank you.